Another fine vehicle offered by Classic Toyota.
This great 2007 Chevrolet Cobalt is equipped with a fuel-efficient 2.2-liter inline four-cylinder engine, a reliable automatic transmission, the safety and efficiency of front-wheel drive, and has only 35,322 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include an AM/FM stereo with the CD player and a 4-speaker sound system. It also gets an estimated 34 miles per gallon on the highway, and 25 in the city. PAUSE equals 2000. For your comfort, this sedan has an illuminated entry system and air conditioning. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include multi-stage deploying driver and passenger front airbags with passenger seat occupant sensors. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive. PAUSE equals 4000.
Classic Toyota is located at the intersection of Old Jacksonville and Loop 323, across from the Brookshire's Warehouse and Home Depot. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations and to ensure that you'll return for future visits.